Hello everyone, we are from Tapsi Electromedical Systems and Services. We are manufacturers of electrotherapy equipments in physiotherapy range since 1996. Today in this video we are here to present you a demo for Tapsi Cyclops 1 N502, which is portable ultrasound therapy for home visit purpose. The leather bag consists of portable ultrasound therapy device, instruction manual, applicator, 3-pin mains cord and ultrasound gel. Plug the mains cord end in the main socket provided at the back side of the device. Plug the mains cord and turn on the switch. Now fit the applicator end socket to the output socket provided on the device. Make sure you are fitting properly according to the holes in the applicator to avoid damage. Tighten the ring. Now turn on the switch given at the back side of the device to start. When the device is turned on, manual program and default parameters are displayed on the LCD. Continuous output mode, 5-minute timer and 0 watt per centimeter square intensity are displayed on the LCD by default. For manual setting, INT up and INT DN, that is intensity up and intensity down, are used to vary the intensity. Intensity up will increase the intensity and intensity down will decrease the intensity. For output mode, we have option for continuous mode, pulse 99 Hz and pulse 48 Hz. We can choose the mode directly by pressing the button on the panel for respective modes. CUNT for continuous mode, PLS 99 for pulse 99 Hz and PLS 48 for pulse 48 Hz. The up and down arrow key on the panel are for increasing and decreasing the timer in the step of 1 minute. After selecting all the parameters as per your requirement, press the start button to start the device. Now for inbuilt program, the list of inbuilt program is given on the last second page of the instruction manual. Select PRG up, that is program up button on the device panel to enter the clinical library. PRG up is program up, which will increase the program number, and PRG down will decrease the program number. Now for ease of usage, a PRG 5 key is provided on the panel which jumps to programs on a count of 5. For example, if from the given list in the manual I want to choose 17th program, that is tendinitis, I will press PRG 5 key, which will jump to 5th program, again to the 10th program, again to 15th program. Now press PRG up button twice and we have the 17th program, tendinitis. Now as we can see, all the parameters, that is the output mode, timer and intensity, are selected by default. We just need to press the start button to start the selected program. Every time when the treatment is over, or in case of emergency, when you press the stop button, a buzzer will ring for 30 seconds indicating the end of the output. Use ultrasound gel for treating a patient. 3 important things to be taken care of are first one, to check if your ultrasound machine is in working condition or not. Place some water on the head and press start button. If you see water bubbles on the applicator, it indicates that your ultrasound machine is in start working condition. Never bend second precaution is never start the machine without connecting the applicator head, as it will indicate the treatment head not connected on, and continuously keep buzzing. Third precaution to be taken care of is never bend the applicator cable tightly, as it may damage the cable inside and damage the applicator. So keep all these points in mind for using portable ultrasound, and read instruction manual carefully before starting the use of the device for complete details. Thank you.